how to get my Facebook account back after being hacked. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to get your Facebook account back after being hacked. So if you want to recover your hacked Facebook account, this video is for you. I'll show you step by step on how to recover it. Now all you have to do now, go ahead and open up your browser. After you open browser, tap on the search. So in the search, all you have to do now, go ahead and type in this, as you can see now, m dot. So go ahead and type in m dot. As you can see, here is it now, m.facebook.com/hacked. m.facebook.com/hacked. Go ahead and type in this. After you type in this, now tap on this search. So I'll give you the link of this website in the comment section of this video. So after you come to this option now, as you can see, it says report compromised account. If you believe your account has been compromised by another person or a virus, please click the my account is compromised button below. We will help you log back into your account so that you can regain access. So tap on this option, my account is compromised. So in this option here, it says find your hacked account. Enter your mobile number or email address. So now go ahead now and type in your mobile number or email address. So I'll just go ahead and type in my mobile number. I'll use this mobile number. So now tap on this continue button. So as you can see now, the mobile number, it says it doesn't exist. I'll just go ahead now and type in another mobile number. So after you type in your mobile number like this, tap on this continue or email address. You can use mobile number or email address. So from this section, as you can see now it gives me different profile that Facebook think that these are the account that currently are using my mobile number that I gave them. Here it says choose your account. Remember, hackers sometimes change names and profile picture. So choose one of this account. I'll go with this one that I see my mobile number. After you select the account like this now, as you can see here, it says check my mobile number and or email address to make sure that this is your account. So make sure the mobile number you enter is correct. So now tap on this recover. So from this option, as you can see, it says try another device to continue. This must be a device that you have used to log into this account before, because now Facebook will not allow you to recover this account on this device, because I have not logged into my Facebook account even once before I lost the account. So now it says, as you can see now, we cannot match the device that you are using to the account that you are trying to recover. So it is not for us to recover. Means that if you want to recover your Facebook hacked account, you must use a device that you used to log in with it using your Facebook account before the account was hacked. So for me, let's say I'm using this device before my account was hacked. So if I'm using this device before my account was hacked, by tapping on this as cancel recover option, this recover, it will allow me to get access to the account. Because I'm using a new device, now it will not allow you to recover your Facebook account using a new device that you have not logged into your Facebook account with the device before. So now make sure the device that you want to recover your account with it was a device that you used before, using that you use your account on that device before. Either it is laptop or mobile phone. If you can't find the device, tap on this can't try another device, this one. Here it says, if you can no longer access your login, email address or phone number, and you don't have access to a device that you have used to log into this account before, it is not safe for us to give you another way to log in. So the only way you can recover your Facebook account by following this method is to use a mobile phone or a laptop that you used to log in with them, you used to use your Facebook account before. So you cannot use a new mobile number or a new laptop to recover your account. You must have a device that you log in even once before your account was hacked. That's it, guys, on how to get my Facebook account back after being hacked. Hope this video helps you out on how to recover your Facebook hacked account. Please like and subscribe. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below.